Okay, ኣብዚ ቪድዮ እዚ past continuous tense simple past ብሕፅር ዝበለን ብቐሊል መንገድን ክርኢና መጀመርያ past continuous tense ክንጀምር ኢና ፎርሙሉ subject plus was or were plus ing I was, we were, you were, they were, he was, she was, it was. For example, I was working, I was playing, I was living, I was talking, etc. And the same for the rest. ጥቕምታቱ እንተሪእና ሓደ ongoing past action ኣብ ሕሉፍ ግዜ ዝነበረ ስራሕ ንምግላጽ ወይ ከዓ ንቁርብ ግዜ ዝወስድ ዝነበረ ዝቐጸለ continue ዝገብረ ኣብ ሕሉፍ for example she was reading a book at 8 p.m. ንሳ መጽሓፍ ተንብብ ነይራ ምንባብ ቁርብ ግዜ ዝወስድ ይምሽ ግን ኣብ ሕሉፍ ማለት they were playing tennis yesterday ትማሊ ቴኒስ ይጻወቱ ነይሮም ካልኣይ interrupted action ዝተቋረጸ action for example ሓደ ነገር እንሰርሕ ነርና ኣብ መንጎ ካልእ ነገር ተቋሪጽና ክንሰርሖ ጽናሕና ነገር በpast continuous tense ክንገልጾ ከለና ነዘቋረጸና action ከዓ በsimple past ንገልጾ for example she was cooking when the phone rang ቴሌፎን ክድወል ከላ ንሳ መግቢ ትሰርሕ ነይራ እቲ ሳልሳይ ጥቕሚ ናይ past continuous tense to express parallel actions in the past ማዕረ ዝካየዱ ዝነበሩ ስራሓት ንምግላጽ ኣብ ሕሉፍ ማለት እዩ for example they were dancing while he was singing they were dancing while he was singing ንሱ እንዳደረፈን ከሎ ንሳቶም ይስዕስዑ ነይሮም they were dancing past continuous tense ከሆን ከሎ he was singing ለካ ከምኡ past continuous tense ማለት እዩ ክልተ past continuous tense ተጠቂምናልና parallel ዝነበሩ ብማዕረ ዝኸዱ ዝነበሩ አክሽናት ኢና ገሊጽና ዘለና ማለት እዩ ብኮንጃንክሽን ከዓ አጣሚርናዮም ኣለና while ማለት እዩ እዞም ክልተ ሙሉዓት ሓሳባት ንምጥማር ተጠቂምና ዘለና ኮንጃንክሽን ይበሃል while, when, because, or, and ገለ ዝብሉ conjunctions እዮም ኣብ ካልእ ቪድዮታት ክንሪኦም ንኽእል ኢና Now we're gonna see more examples on this So let's start with affirmative I was reading a book when he called ክድውለለይ ከለኻ ወይ ከዓ ክድውለለይ ከለኻ መጽሓፍ የንብብ ነይረ They were playing soccer all afternoon ትማል ድሕሪ ቀትሪ ኩዕሾ እግሪ ይጻወቱ ነይሮም The dog was barking all night እቲ ከልቢ ትማል ሙሉእ ምሸት ክነብሕ ሓምሲቡ ስለዚህ past continuous tense ክንጥቀም ከለና ፎርሙላውን ክንርስዖ የብልናን ማለት እዩ እቶም auxiliary verbs ዝበሃሉ plus ing ክንርስዕ የብልናን auxiliary verbs ማለት በዓል was were ማለት እዩ ኣብዚ ኣብ present ካ በዓል is am are Well now we're gonna see the negative form of past continuous tense example I wasn't listening to the lecture እቲ lecture ኣይሰምዖን ነይረ ወይ ከዓ ክላስ ኣይሰምዖን ነይረ She wasn't feeling well yesterday. ትማል ጽቡቕ ኣይሰማዓን ነይሩ ወይ ከዓ ተጸሊዋ ነይሩ He wasn't working on the project last night. Project ሰራሕ ምሰን ትማል ምሸት Question ወይ ከዓ ሕቶ Were you waiting for me at the station? ትማል ትጽበየል ነይርካ ዲኻ ኣብቲ ስቴሽን ወይ ከዓ ትጽበየል ነይርክ ዲኺ Where ግን ናይ ቦታ ኣይኮነትን ኣብዚኣ W-H-E-R-E ኣይኮነትን W-E-R-E Was it raining when you left the house? ካብ ገዛ ትወጽእ ከለኻ ዝናብ ዘንብ ነይሩ ድዩ? Was you cooking dinner when you arrived? ኣብ ገዛ ምስ በጻሕካ ድራር እንዳሰርሐ ዶ ጸኒሓትካ? ስለዚ past continuous tense ብሕጽር ዝበለ ርኢና የለና ኣብ ብዲቴይልስ ኣይኣተናን ማለት ብዝርዝር ኣይኣተናን ሕጂ simple past ክንርኢና ጥቕምታቱ ኣብ ሕሉፍ ግዜ ዝተወድአ ነገራት For example, she traveled to Paris last year. ኣብ ዝሓለፈ ዓመት ንፓሪስ ከይዳ ነይራ He graduated in 2019. ኣብ 2019 ተመሪቑ He entered the room, turned on the light, and sat down. ናብቲ ክፍሊ ኣትዩ መብራህቲ ወሊዑ and ኮፍ ኢሉ More examples affirmative She watched a movie yesterday. ትማሊ ፊልም ሪኣ Did she watch a movie yesterday? ትማሊ ፊልም ሪኣ ዶ They played soccer in the park. ኣብቲ ፓርክ ኩዕሾ እግሪ ተጻዊቶም Did they play soccer in the park? ኣብቲ ፓርክ ተጻዊቶም ዶ ኩዕሾ እግሪ ድራር ሰሪሕና Did we cook dinner? ድራር ሰሪሕና ዶ ኣብቲ ቀዳማይ ኣብቲ affirmative watched ዝነበረ ኣብ question ግን watched ላይ ጌርና ኣላ ምክንያቱ ክልተ ኔጌቲቭ ክንጥቀም ንኽእልና did እንዳበልና watched ተይልና እዚ wrong grammar ይኸውን ማለት እዩ በተመሳሳሊ ኣብቲ ካልኣይ example played ኢልና ነርና ኣብ ሕቶ ግን play ኢልና ኣለና did ሕሉፍ ስለ ዝኾነ played ኣይንብልና ክልተ ሕሉፍ ኣይንጥቀምን ኢና ክልተ ናይ past verb ኣይንጥቀምን ኢና ኣብ ሳልሳይ እውን cook ኣብ ሕቶ ግን cook ኢልና ማለት እዩ so we need to take care of this as well ካልእ ብዛዕባ ፎርሙታት ናይ verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 ዝብል ሊንክ ኣብ ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ገድፈልኩም እየ ከነንብቦም እዩ ዘለና ማለት እዩ መብዛሕትኦም ቨርብታት ሬጉላር እዮም ከምዚ ኢዲ ዝውስኹ ማለት እዩ verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 ወይ ከዓ present verb past verb past participle verb ኢዲ እዮም ዝውስኹ ሓደ ሓደ ግን ኣለዉ ኢሬጉላር ማለት እዩ ሕጊ ዘይክተሉ for example speak spoke spoken sit sat sat ከምታት ማለት እዩ መብዛሕትኦም ሬጉላር እዮም ማለት negative form she did not watch a movie yesterday or she did not watch a movie yesterday تمال فيلم አይራአይትን he did not call ንሱ አይደወለልኝ ትማል ኣብ ክንዲ ሽም ሰብ እውን ክንጠቅስ ንኽእል ኢና ማለት for example John did not call me yesterday or my friend did, or my brother did not call me yesterday John did not see the message John net message አይራአዮን well past continuous tense simple past briefly رينا لنا practice كنقبر علينا كن مسابات كنزارب لنا ولا نبيننا مس نفسنا ممكن نزارب لنا خلينا practice مقبارة قداسي سلازي thank you for watching subscribe مقبار كاي ترسوا